think I know that person.
Oh, hey!
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
How about you introduce yourself?
I'm Brienda, and I'm a student assistant.
Nice. What is the name of the building behind you?
The building behind me is Lassen Hall.
What's inside the building?
Many offices like the Bursar's Academic Advising Center and, of course, the Student Service Center.
What is the Student Service Center?
It's where I work. Let me show you.
So where is the Student Service Center located?
The Student Service Center is located in Lassen Hall, room 1000, on the first floor.
And when was it established?
It was established in 2016.
What are your hours?
Our hours are Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
How can I contact your office?
You can contact our office, phone, email, or come in person.
And what's your email address?
Our email address is sacstatessc@csus.edu.
And what's your phone number?
Our phone number is 916-278-1000, option 2.
How can I meet with someone in person?
You can meet with someone in person. Just come into our office, bring your Sac State ID, and sign in right here.
How do you sign in?
You sign in using our desk.
What if I don't know my ID number?
If you don't know your ID number, you can always look at your one card, or you can look at your acceptance email and your student center.
What if I need accommodations for the check-in process?
If you need accommodations, you can always contact one of our staffs at the front counter. Come with me.
How many staff members work in the Student Service Center?
We have 11.
Do you have any student assistants?
Yes, 12.
So what offices do you serve?
We serve on behalf of the student affairs, such as the Registrar's office or the financial aid.
Is the Student Service Center the financial aid office?
No, we are separate.
Where is the financial aid office located?
We actually answer all financial aid questions.
Why is the financial aid office separate from SSC?
The financial aid is actually a processing unit, and we take any customer service here.
If the SSC answers all financial aid questions, does that mean you can help me out with the financial aid application?
Yes, we can help you out with both the FAFSA application and the California DREAM Act application.
Cool. What about document submissions?
Yes.
And awarding?
Yes.
And what about receiving my awards?
Yes, we can check on the status of the disbursement. However, any refunds will be to the bursar's office.
All right, and for document submissions, how do you submit documents?
You can submit it through the mail, fax, or use the online upload link. Or you can also come in person at the drop box. Follow me. And here it is.
Oh, hey!
Hey, welcome back.
Hey, we were just talking about submitting documents. How do I find the online upload link?
You can find it in your student center. On the lower right-hand side, you'll find a section that says financial aid links. There, you're going to see the upload docs here link where you can upload your documents.
Cool, what if I have issues though?
Give us a call at the Student Service Center. We'll try to help you troubleshoot any of those issues.
And what documents can we submit?
Any financial aid related documents that appear on your to-do list as initiated documents, you can upload them through your student center.
What documents can we get from your office?
Any documents that are related to financial aid or registrar documents.
So what about if I need to pick up an official transcript?
You will need to pick up an official transcript in the registrar's office.
What about an unofficial transcript?
We'll be happy to print an unofficial transcript here in the Student Service Center.
What if I need an enrollment verification letter?
We can also help you with that. You have the option of getting an enrollment verification through the Student Service Center, or you can go into your student center yourself and print it yourself.
And these can be for free?
These are absolutely free.
What if I need to update my name or social security number?
You can do that here, or you can do that at the registrar's office. You just have to submit a name change and bring the appropriate documentation in order to support that name change.
Interesting. So these documents are not with financial aid. Which office are they from?
They are from the registrar's office. However, because we're at the Student Service Center servicing other offices, you can certainly drop them off here.
So who exactly is the registrar's office?
The registrar's office handles any information related to transfer credit, registration, records, and they are located at Lassen Hall, room 2000 on the second floor.
Cool. Do you know their hours?
Their hours are from 8 to 5, Monday through Friday.
And how can we contact them?
You can contact them by phone at 916-278-1000 and it'll be option 4 for them. You can also send them an email at registrar@csus.edu.
Anything else we should know about the registrars?
Yeah, most of their documents are online, so you can feel free to go to the csus.edu/registrar under forms and processes.
Cool, thank you so much for the help.
Absolutely. Have a great day.
Oh, hey!
Hey!
So we were just talking about the registrar's office. There's a couple topics. One of them is FERPA. Do you know what FERPA is?
Yeah, it's the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act.
So what does it do?
It prevents us from giving any student records to a third party.
And what do you mean by a third party?
Third party is anyone who's not the student.
Okay, and so how can I release information to a third party?
You just have to sign the third party release form.
So how can a student submit the release form?
You just come into our office and we can give you the form.
Can a student withdraw the third party?
Yeah, you just have to sign the bottom part.
All right, and how would they?
You can come into our office.
And if a parent calls over the phone, can the student give verbal consent?
No, FERPA requires written consent from the student.
All right, what if I had additional questions about FERPA?
You can contact the registrar's office.
Hey, I think I lost my keys. Do you know where we could find it?
Not quite, but we can check since we're one of the locations that holds the lost and found.
Really? Why so?
We have high student traffic.
So if I can't find my lost items here, where else should I check?
You can check the police department
Where are they located?
and the University Union, first floor, room 1000.
Huh. Oh, hey, what's this?
This is a commuter sleeve.
What's a commuter sleeve?
You can place this over your one card to get free public transportation in Sacramento or use the Hornet shuttle.
Do I have to pay?
No, your tuition covers it.
All right, so how can I get this?
You can come into our office with your one card. We have to check your current enrollment status, and we are also one of the 3 locations that can give students the commuter sleeve.
What are the other locations?
The Bursar's office across the hall and the University Transportation and Parking Services, or UTAPS.
Oh, hey, who's this?
That's Dr. Jeffrey Weston. You may get to meet him if you're lucky.
Ooh, okay. And so this place looks great. Are students allowed back here?
No, I'm just giving you the VIP treatment. This is where we answer phone calls.
Nice. So how can we contact you on the phone?
You can call us anytime between 9 to 4, Monday to Friday.
All right, thank you so much for all the help. Hey, what's in there?
Hi, for Financial Wellness.
Who are you?
My name is Santu. I am a peer financial coach. And I'm Lexi Dunbar. I'm also a peer financial coach.
What is the Financial Wellness Office?
Financial Wellness is a peer-led program here on campus, and we were created to promote financial literacy and financial wellness.
How can we meet with you?
You can do virtual or in person.
Cool. So do we have to pay for it?
Nope, it's totally free.
And how do you schedule an appointment?
You can go to the Sac State website, look up financial wellness, and schedule an appointment that way, or you can email us at greentogold@csus.edu.
Anything else we should know about financial wellness?
Yes, follow us on Instagram at Sac State Financial Wellness.
Oh, hey, aren't you the guy from the clock?
Hey, I am. Dr. Weston, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. So does your office have any social media accounts?
We do. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Have all 3.
Cool, what's the username?
At Sac State SSC.
And do you have any advice for incoming students?
You know, I actually do. 2 things come to mind. 1, believe in yourself because you belong here, you've been admitted here, and you're going to make it. My second piece of advice is take charge of your education. Nobody's going to advocate for you like you. Enjoy your time as a Hornet. Stingers up.